So it consists of 6 brushes. Now I was really happy with the purchase. Again, now I use this to blend my eyeshadow. I think that's the foremost important thing which a brush is required for blending. Now fingers are always the best one to apply eyeshadow. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is really going to be super exciting and it's going to be a review of a certain product which was missing in my closet for the longest time, and I decided to purchase it through Amazon. Now I was very skeptical about ordering this particular product because there's loads and loads of options available on Amazon, Flipkart. I guess it's available on Myntra as well, but I decided to order one because I really needed it in my videos, in my future videos, and of course in my makeup videos also, because I have been using my fingers lately. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So I recently ordered this set of brushes through Amazon. Now there are loads and loads of options available on Amazon which were like 300, 400, 500, 24 set brush. So I didn't want to opt for a whole lot because I'm not a professional makeup artist or I'm not a professional in this scene, but I wanted few which would help me in my future videos and also in my personal aspect as well. So this particular product is from Miniso and I ordered it through Amazon. Now it came in a packaging like this and it's inside, it's bubble wrapped, so you don't have to worry about it. So as you open it, you see a packet like this. Now this again is the actual packaging which you see in the Miniso store. Now in Kolkata, the Miniso store is in Park Street, but it's nonetheless, it's really like scary to visit the store and purchase the product. So I opted for Miniso product through Amazon. Now this is how the product looks like. The MRP which is printed over here is rupees 260 and I paid rupees 260 for this product. One thing is that I am ordering through Amazon, it's okay, but there should be some discount, right? Like it's just the MRP which is printed here and the same price which we are giving through Amazon. So this is how the packaging looks like, and don't worry, I'll insert a clip of like closer look for this particular product. So this came a separate product of this sort and I'll show you the case as well. Now I guess there are different colors available for this one. So this is the case. You open it like this and you get like certain pockets for each and you close it and it's good. So it's just a secure. Now one thing I loved is that okay, so I'm paying rupees 260 but I'm also getting a pouch for it to store it. So nonetheless, it's a good deal, of course. So it consists of 6 brushes. Now I was really happy with the purchase because one, I get a blusher like kind of thing. Now please forgive me, I don't know the exact name of the brushes because I'm really a novice in this area, and also please comment down below if you can relate to me. But these are the basic brushes I thought which would be important for any sort of makeup. If you're starting, if you're a pro, I think these are the basic brushes which everyone needs. So this is the, I don't know what it's called, please comment down below as to what it's called. I use this to apply my blusher, so if I'm wrong, please correct me down below. So I really loved it. It's super soft and it's not that it's flimsy. It's not at all flimsy, it's sturdy. Now one thing which I didn't really expect it to be is that I thought that the brush size of this particular thing would be a little bigger, but it's like a tiny size. It's like if you will measure it like this, it's just the size of your fingers. So it's really tiny. I think that you can carry it in your like small sling bags also, so it's really that tiny. So it's really that tiny, and the bristles, and of course it's really good. It's not that flimsy that it's coming out or whatsoever. It's of good quality. Now again, coming back to this, I think it's kind of a flat brush. Now I used this particular one to apply my eyeshadow, so this is how it looks like. Now again, I have to say it's sturdy. The bristles are super soft. Now all the bristles have got like more like, it's like black from the bottom and a bit of purplish or whitish from the front, if you guys can. So this is the flat brush. Now I use this to apply my eyeshadow. Now let me know how my makeup is looking down in the comment box. So this again, I don't know what it's called, please comment down below. But I use this to apply my eyeshadow again. Now I use this to blend my eyeshadow. I think that's the foremost important thing which a brush is required for blending. Now fingers are always the best one to apply eyeshadow, but I thought that why not just give it a try, a set of brush which is like very cheap. If you compare it with the quality, if you compare it with the packaging and everything, it's very cheap. Now I don't have that much of budget like 1500 or 2000 or 3000, like, you know, Revolution brushes and everything. I don't have that much of budget, so I wanted basic like 5 to 6 or 7 max to max. So I think it just suited my budget and suited my purpose altogether. So this is again one more brush, and it's super soft. All the brushes have this color gradient on the brushes, so if you guys can see, and I think that all the brushes are of the like almost the same size. So it's the size of your fingers, if you guys can see. I really love the color. The color is more like a peach color, not really pink, it's peach color. So I think that you get like color options as well, but I don't know, I didn't pay any notice to that. So this again, I don't know what brush is this. If you guys will tell me down in the comments box, I'll be really happy and grateful to you guys. Now this again I used to apply and make my eyebrows. Now I don't know why, if I am doing it wrong, now it's you guys' responsibility to make me right and correct me down below in the comment box. So this again, I use this to apply and make my eyebrows. Now it's really thin. Now it's not that it's very thick. So it's really thin and it's up to the point, like if I'm really wanting to apply some eyeshadow or some glitter in my inner corners of my eye, now this is the brush which you should apply, and I applied it. So let me know in the comment down below as to how my makeup is looking, because I did my makeup using these new brushes. So now this particular brush I did not use because I was really confused as to, like, I think that this can be used for my eyeshadow and this can be used for my eyebrows as well. Now I don't really know. You guys will be the best people to tell me. So this again is one more brush. Now I haven't used it. It's like more of a like sponge brush kind of. It does not have any brushes or something. It's more like a sponge one, but it's really sturdy. It's not coming out, it's not flimsy at all. Now I think that this is the last brush, and I think this is particularly used for maybe your eyebrows, if I'm not wrong. So this is the brush which I'm talking about for your eyebrows. Now this part is more like a comb and this part is more like a brush. Now these bristles are much more, what I can say, it's much more harder than these. So these are much more softer and much more subtle, and this brush over here is a bit harder. So I don't know, like, I think that this particular one is for eyebrows. Now I haven't used it again, but I think that nonetheless all these 5 brushes would be, I think that I'll be using these 5 brushes more as compared to this one, because I don't really need it, and even if I need it, it will be like once in a blue moon maybe. So these are the 5 brushes which are absolutely gorgeous, which are absolutely sturdy. And just one major drawback is that I thought that these brushes would be a little bit bigger, like as compared to the size. So, but it's good. And this part over here is made of plastic, it's not wood, and this part is like a metal thing covered up. So this part is also very sturdy. It's like very thick and it's very like mota kind of a thing. It's not कि आप इसको यूज़ कर रहे हो और ये निकल गया, ऐसा नहीं होगा. because I have used it, and that is why I'm giving this review particularly, because I have used it doing this whole particular makeup. So I really think that 260 rupees which I had spent on these brushes are worth it, and I'm really glad that I did not go for any other brush set or any other options which was available on Amazon, because there were mixed kind of reviews of, like, many of them were saying that it's worth the price, many of them were like it's flimsy, the brushes are coming out and everything. So it's obvious that if I'm spending even rupees 200, I want it to be a genuine product so that I can use it and go on using it in my future as well. It's not कि मैं ये 3 दिन use करूँ और 4th day को ये टूट जाए, वैसा कोई product मुझे चाहिए नहीं. So just for you guys, I'll just open the pouch and I'll fit in the brushes over here and show it to you guys as to how these are looking. So I don't know in which order should I place. Okay, so the stitches are done accordingly, and I might be doing it wrong. I don't know. So it's okay. So one thing is that there are 7 pouches given here. I don't know why. Maybe it's a mistake of the stitching done, or maybe it's on purpose. I don't know. So there is one particular place left for a certain brush which is not here, because this is clearly a set of 6. So I don't know why, what's the mistake. So this is how I have arranged it, and I'll just fold it and it's done. It's packed. And if you guys want, you can obviously cover your brushes with some plastic thing or whatsoever, but I don't think that it's necessary over here because it's already covered, and I don't think that anything will be spilling from the top section. So I really loved it, and major advantage of purchasing this particular product is that you can carry it in your even small sling bags. If you're like running errands and you forgot, like you'll be going and reaching that place and doing your makeup, so this is the particular product which you're looking for. Absolutely worth purchasing it. I would give like 4.5 stars out of 5. I'll be giving like 4.5 stars like within 5, because 0.5 is because of the size. I wanted it to be a little longer, so that, like, I don't know why, but I just thought it to be. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed it and you guys had found this video helpful, because I tried to give in the bits and pieces of this particular product in this whole video. I do really hope that it was helpful for you guys, and please don't forget to comment down below as to how you did found out this video, and also comment down below as to what kind of more videos you want me to do and create for you guys. I'll be eagerly waiting for you guys' comments. And one thing I really wanted to say is that if you guys comment, if you guys like and subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. It just gives me a lot more motivation to work for you guys, to search for good content and create such good content for you guys. So please don't forget to comment down below and show your support. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.